Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about car brands you should absolutely avoid in 2025. Some of these cars may look sleek and drive smoothly when brand new, but give it a year or two and you might find yourself dealing with non-stop problems. Engine failures, slipping transmissions, glitchy infotainment systems, and repair costs that drain your wallet. If you're planning to buy a car soon, make sure to watch this video first. We're counting down the 11 worst car brands that could leave you frustrated, broke, and stranded. Let's jump right into it. Nissan was once known for reliability, with models like the Maxima and Altima praised for their durability. But since the partnership with Renault, the brand's reputation has suffered. Build quality has declined, and reliability is a major concern for many owners. One of the biggest issues is their CVT, continuously variable transmission systems, which are designed to improve fuel economy but often fail before 100,000 miles, leading to repair bills of $4,000 to $5,000. Models like the Sentra and Pathfinder are notorious for engine problems, oil consumption, leaks, and electrical issues. Nissan has also faced numerous recalls over the years, including faulty airbags. To make matters worse, their advertised fuel efficiency doesn't match real-world results. Take the Armada, for example, which only achieves around 12 miles per gallon in city driving. While Nissan may seem like a budget-friendly choice, the long-term reliability issues and high repair costs make it a brand many owners end up regretting. Land Rover. Land Rovers may turn heads with their sleek design, luxury features, and commanding presence, but the reality of owning one often falls short. Many owners report serious electrical issues, leaking sunroofs, and air suspension failures, problems that tend to arise early and lead to costly repairs. These vehicles struggle to hit 100,000 miles without encountering major mechanical failures, with their complex suspension and electronic systems being particularly prone to breakdowns. Despite a steep starting price of over $60,000, Land Rovers depreciate quickly, with 5-year-old models often worth less than half their original cost. Regular maintenance is also more expensive than most other brands, with tires, brakes, and oil changes running higher than average. A running joke among Land Rover owners is that the brand comes with a free tow truck membership, and unfortunately, that's often true. Unless you're ready for frequent trips to the repair shop and large repair bills, Land Rover is a luxury brand best admired from afar. Jeeps have long been known for their off-roading capabilities, but when it comes to everyday driving, they often fall short. The ride quality is rough, making longer trips uncomfortable, and the handling can feel clunky, which doesn't inspire confidence on regular roads. Inside, the materials used in the interior often feel cheap, and the technology lags behind what you'd expect from modern vehicles in the same price range. Popular models like the Wrangler, Cherokee, and Compass frequently face reliability issues, including poorly aligned doors, rattling dashboards, and constant electrical failures. These issues can be frustrating for owners, as they often lead to costly repairs and maintenance. In fact, Jeep hasn't made the IIHS top safety list since 2019, reflecting the brand's struggles with both safety features and design improvements. This lack of refinement in both comfort and reliability means that many Jeep owners end up spending a significant amount of money on repairs, contributing to the nickname, "Just empty every pocket." While Jeeps are undeniably fun for occasional off-road adventures, they're not the best choice for a reliable daily driver. If you value comfort, modern technology, and long-term dependability, you may want to look elsewhere for your next vehicle. General Motors, GM. General Motors, GM, which encompasses brands like Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick, has produced some solid vehicles over the years, but many of its models still suffer from notable reliability concerns. A recurring issue across several GM vehicles is poor build quality, with many models featuring subpar materials, weak components, and mechanical failures that appear early in their lifespan. Common problems include engine malfunctions, transmission failures, and frequent electrical glitches. GM's handling of these issues has often been slow, as evidenced by the infamous 2014 ignition switch recall that resulted in accidents and fatalities, highlighting the company's reluctance to address problems until forced by legal pressure. Popular models like the Silverado have issues like drive shaft vibrations, and many cars in GM's lineup experience premature paint peeling, leading to rust. Their customer service also leaves much to be desired, with many owners reporting delayed repairs, denied warranty claims, and a general lack of accountability. Even newer GM models continue to face persistent problems with transmissions and onboard software. If you value long-term reliability and responsive customer service, GM might not be the ideal choice for your next vehicle. Chrysler has been a long-standing name in the automotive industry, but unfortunately, many of their vehicles still suffer from poor build quality and reliability issues. Owners often report issues like cheap interior materials, poor fit and finish, and parts that wear out quickly. Even their best-selling vehicle, the Pacifica minivan, is riddled with problems such as engine stalling, malfunctioning gear shifters, and electrical glitches. In 2018, over 15,000 Pacificas were recalled due to serious software and battery issues. Adding to the frustration, Chrysler vehicles tend to be more expensive to maintain, with annual repair bills often exceeding $600. The brand has changed ownership multiple times, first Daimler, then Cerberus, Fiat, and now Peugeot, but the same ongoing quality issues persist. For buyers, this means constant uncertainty and a higher likelihood of dealing with costly repairs. While Chrysler vehicles might seem like an affordable option up front, the long-term ownership experience is filled with more headaches than most would expect. BMWs are known for being exhilarating to drive, offering a premium experience with their luxury features and performance. However, after the warranty expires, owning a BMW can quickly turn into a costly and frustrating endeavor. The engines, while powerful, are often over-engineered, which means repairs are not only expensive, but also complicated. Common issues like failing cooling systems, leaking gaskets, and suspension problems are frequent, and some models suffer from even more severe mechanical issues, such as timing chain failures and persistent oil leaks. Despite their appeal, the financial reality of owning a BMW is hard to ignore. While a new BMW M4 might come with an $80,000 price tag, used models depreciate rapidly, and the cost of repairs soon makes up for the savings. Add to that the frustration of delayed repairs, denied warranty claims, and numerous recalls, such as those related to faulty water pumps that could lead to fires, and it becomes clear that what starts as a dream car can quickly evolve into a money pit. If you're considering a BMW, be prepared for the potential costs that come with the territory. While the driving experience might still be thrilling, the repair bills can leave you regretting your decision. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz once set the bar for durability, but today's models often prioritize luxury and tech at the expense of reliability. Features like air suspensions and digital displays offer a smooth, high-end driving experience, but when they break, the repair costs are steep. The 7G-tronic transmission requires precise maintenance, and skipping it can lead to expensive repairs. Common issues include leaky engine mounts, cabin vibrations, and failing air suspensions. Fuel efficiency is poor, especially in larger SUVs, and routine maintenance costs more than average. While Mercedes offers luxury, the long-term financial strain can quickly overshadow the initial appeal. Jaguar cars are known for their sleek designs, but reliability is a major issue. Owners frequently report engine failures, malfunctioning infotainment systems, and electronic glitches. The Ingenium diesel engines have been notorious for serious problems, with some even self-destructing. Basic features like gear selectors and seat adjustments also fail. Maintenance costs are high, around $1,100 per year, well above the industry average. Despite being a luxury brand, Jaguar interiors feel outdated, and the F-Pace SUV has had over 12 safety recalls. Customer support is often slow and unhelpful, leaving owners frustrated. Jaguars may be stylish, but they bring frequent headaches. Volkswagen cars may feel well-built and fun to drive initially, but they come with a range of frustrating and costly issues. Many parts are imported, which drives up repair costs and makes it harder to find mechanics familiar with them. Electrical problems are common, with owners reporting issues like malfunctioning dashboard displays, air conditioning failures, and faulty sensors. The brand's reputation also took a hit after the diesel emissions scandal. Repairs can be complicated due to their complex engineering, and many drivers find that older Toyotas last much longer. For a reliable, low-maintenance car, Volkswagen may not be the best choice. Audis are known for their sleek design and luxurious feel, but unfortunately, they don't maintain that charm for long. While they may seem like a great investment at first, Audis have a reputation for frequent breakdowns. Common issues include engine failures, fuel pump malfunctions, and constant electronic problems. Just replacing a fuel pump can cost over $2,000, and when the electronics start malfunctioning, owners report dealing with endless issues. Even simple repairs like addressing warning lights can take hours, leading to cars spending more time in the shop than on the road. To make matters worse, dealerships often have long wait times for service, particularly once the warranty expires. In the end, owning an Audi can feel like a luxury trap, beautiful on the outside, but frustrating and costly on the inside. If you're looking for a reliable luxury vehicle, an Audi might not be the right choice. Volvo has long been known for its commitment to safety, but unfortunately, it doesn't always live up to the reliability expectations. Recent models like the XC40, XC60, and XC90 have been plagued with issues, including problems with climate control, electronics, and even braking systems. One of the more concerning recalls involved the brake assist system, which failed to work properly, a serious safety risk. On top of that, Volvos are expensive to maintain, with owners spending about $770 per year on average. Over the span of 10 years, that adds up to more than $13,000 in maintenance costs. While the brand offers excellent styling and comfort, the frequent electrical issues can make owning a Volvo more frustrating than it's worth. If you're looking for a combination of safety and reliability, there are better options out there. So there you have it, 11 car brands to avoid in 2025. While they may look good and drive well initially, they often lead to costly repairs and long-term headaches. Do your research, check reliability ratings, and read owner reviews before making your next purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.